the periodic table, and its evolution.
How do you locate a book when you go to the library? If the book is fiction, you look for the author's store name. And finding a non-fiction book, you search for a catalog, but you're more likely to look on the computer now. The title of the book you're looking for will have a number beside it. This number refers to the Dewey Decimal System, which was developed by Melville Dewey in 1876 and is now used in over 200,000 libraries worldwide. The Library of Congress approach developed in the late 80s and early 90s to organize the materials in the Federal Library of Congress.
The periodic table was developed first by a German chemist, Johann Dobereiner.
Calcium, strontium, and barium have a similar chemical formula. Dobereiner proposed the law of triads in 1829. The middle elements in a triad had an atomic weight equal to the average of the other two members.
The first periodic table. Alexandre Biguier de Chancourt was a 19th century geologist who first recognized periodicity in the physical properties of elements. He published a list of all known elements in 1862, which was constructed as a helical graph with ions and compounds in the same vertical line. His ideas were ignored until the work of Mendeleev. After arranging the 62 known elements in order of increasing atomic weights, English chemist John Newlands noticed that after an interval of 8 elements, simpler physical/chemical properties reappeared. In 1863, he published a paper proposing the law of octaves. Element behaves similarly to the 8th element in the table.
In 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev proposed classifying elements based on their atomic weights and properties. His 1869 periodic table had 17 columns with 2 partial periods of 7 elements, followed by 2 nearly complete periods. In 1871, he revised the 17-group table with 8 columns, each with similarities in small units like triads and across an entire network of vertical, horizontal, and diagonal relationships.
Glenn Seaborg's work in the middle of 28th century resulted in the last major change to the periodic table. Seaborg discovered tertiary uranium elements 94 to 102 beginning with plutonium in 1940 and reconfigured the periodic table by placing the lanthanide or actinide series at the bottom of the table. Seaborg received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1951 and element 106 was later named Seaborgium in his honor. So these are the evolution of periodic table. I hope you learned something for today's lesson. Thank you for watching.